Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to have this special unboxing for you guys to check it out or unwrapping. This is the Lyrical lemonade duffel bag. So let's go ahead and get this started. Hopefully the invoice not inside. Let's check it out before I take it out. So the unit price is $30. I'm not sure about the shipping fee or whatever, but let's go ahead and unwrap these. So basically it's like a yellow bag. Duffel bag. So let's go ahead and check out the front. So this is what it look like on the front. Since 2013, Chicago forever. So you got this nice embroidery stitching right here. 100% real music. It's like a lemonade carton right here. And you come with this black shoulder strap with the hook. Like go up into my. It's like turning to pink. Sorry guys, the sun is going down. And then you got this Lyrical lemonade stitching right here, embroidery. Surprised I did not come with the yellow shoulder strap instead to match it. Then right here you have a side zipper pocket right here. And on the inner, it's like a mesh material, but let me see. It's a thick kind of mesh material like. And on the opposite side, you got no zipper pocket. This is what it looked like on the inside. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.